In this video, I'll show you how to check the status of a service you don't know the name of on Ubuntu Linux CLI. In our command line interface, we're going to be typing in the following command: systemctl space status. This command will give us a high-level overview, in my case, of my server's whole system. It won't list every single service, so keep that in mind. It just gives you a summary of the main running processes or services. Press enter on your keyboard to execute the command. Underneath C group, you'll see all the .services. At the very top, you got init.scope, system.slice, and then all the services. So for example, on my Linux Ubuntu system, I've got modem manager.service, jellyfin.service, and session-router-relay.service, just to name a few. I've also got another .slice here, system-getty.slice, and ending with all these .services all the way to systemd-resolve.service. Now the service that I forgot the name of after seeing it in the C group is session-router-relay.service. So I'm going to left click and highlight this entire service name, and I'm going to left click to copy it to my clipboard. To exit this C group or systemctl space status, I'll need to press the letter Q on my keyboard. Once you've pressed the letter Q, you'll be back to the main command line where you can enter in commands. So let's say I wanted to check the status of a particular .service. I'd simply type the following command: systemctl space status space, and then I'd right click to paste in the .service name. In my case, I copied session-router-relay.service, and I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. And you can see for this service, it's active and running, the service is enabled, and the preset is enabled. To exit and go back to the command line, just press Q on your keyboard once again. Now, despite the service running, I'm encountering some issues, so I'm going to restart the service. So I'm going to type systemctl space restart space, and then I'm going to right click again to paste in the service name, and then I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. Now I'm going to check the status of my service once again, just to check that it is running after the restart. So I'm going to press the up arrow on my keyboard to see the previous command I entered in the terminal. This is the restart command, and I'm going to press up again to see the command before the restart command, which is the systemctl status command, and I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. And there we go, the session-router-relay.service is active and running, and both the service is enabled and the preset is enabled. I'm going to press Q on my keyboard. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to check the status of a service you don't know the name of on Ubuntu Linux CLI. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?